This is the XMSJSIY Speakon to 1 4-inch mono speaker cable, a connection cord designed specifically for audio amplifier and speaker setups. It features a 6.35mm TS plug on one end and a Speakon male connector with a twist lock on the other. This cable serves as a jumper, making it ideal for linking a guitar or bass amplifier to a speaker box, or for connecting various PA and DJ speakers, stage monitors, house speakers, and subwoofers. It's also suitable for use in home theater systems, hi-fi listening rooms, KTV setups, and conference rooms where reliable audio connections are needed. The cable is built with 14-gauge wire, specifically 200-core OFC, oxygen-free copper, which is a significant factor in its performance. This construction helps in long-distance transmission and is designed to reduce external interference, contributing to cleaner sound. The manufacturer highlights that this superior wiring helps eliminate frustrating hums, buzzing, and crackles that can plague audio systems, suggesting it's a great option for replacing older, less effective cables. Durability is another key aspect of this XMSJSIY cable. It's described as sturdy and durable, built to withstand pulling without easily disconnecting. The exterior features a rugged rubber insulation, and the overall construction is designed to enhance both signal integrity and performance. The Speakon connector includes a 360-degree grip tread, which makes plugging and unplugging easier and more secure with its twist lock mechanism. Safety is also mentioned, with the cable having good heat insulation properties. It's designed for simple plug-and-play operation, meaning you can connect your equipment quickly and easily without complicated setup. The focus on hi-fi sound quality suggests that this cable aims to provide a clear and accurate audio signal path for various applications, from professional stage use to dedicated listening environments. At 2 meters in length, this cable offers a practical distance for many common setups. Its black color and weight of 210G indicate a substantial, well-built product. The package includes one of these 1 4TS plug to Speakon male speaker cables. Overall, it presents itself as a robust and reliable solution for connecting amplifiers to speakers in a variety of audio environments, promising improved sound quality and durability compared to standard cables.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.